Hello YouTube! At the beginning of this year, I promised that I would make one video every 2 weeks. That's 2, 1, 2, I'm so tired. And to make sure that I would stick to it, I said that if I didn't make a video within 2 weeks, you guys could get to punish me. Like 1 month into this new year thing, I already failed, because my last video was a day late. I asked for punishment suggestions on Twitter, and you guys are really eager to see me suffer. But because I was only 1 day late on this occasion, I'm gonna do the easiest one, which should hopefully still be entertaining. And now that I know what kind of horrible stuff you guys want to see me suffer through, I am never going to be late with a video ever again. So the challenge I'm doing today comes from Gabrielle, who said to eat a lemon within a minute. That's how I interpret the winky face thing, challenge accepted. That was cheesy, but I don't care. Let's cut this thing. Yay. Seed. I'm not eating the seed. Let's cut it up again because I'm a child. I just squirted them. Okay, so now they're in separate parts, and I guess I just have to get my timer out. 1 minute and 3 seconds, because then I can put my phone down. Oh, my heart's actually beating. Okay, 1 minute, 3 seconds. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Oh, that's sour. Let's see. It's so sour. Whew. The seeds. Oh, my eyes. Okay. Oh, come on, come on, come on. No! I finished! I totally finished. I finished. Oh, my mouth is burning. Oh, that's... Oh, I finished. I completed the challenge. Whew. Oh, okay. But yeah, see, okay, a whole lemon. So, challenge completed. I'm never gonna make a video late ever again, because this was the nicest challenge out of all the ones I received, and yeah, it itches. Okay, okay. Bye.